Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how I clean my white wall sidewalls on my Vespa using just a little bit of soapy water, toothpaste, and obviously if you're going to use toothpaste, you got to use a toothbrush. I'm going to put just a tiny bit for starters. Alright, so you guys may be wondering, is toothpaste safe for my white wall car tires? Can I use this safely and reliably? I'm not a chemist, I don't know what the long-term effects are. Scooter tires really only last you like 1 or 2 seasons. I feel like if this is going to cause any kind of premature anything, it'll happen well after I'm done with these tires, so I'm really not worried about it. I like the toothpaste because it has a certain grittiness to it, also because it smells super clean, also because it doesn't really actually spray all that much, which is kind of awesome. And it's basically a free cleaner. So I've been using toothpaste for automotive cleaning stuff for years now. The other thing I use them for is car headlights. If you find your car headlights start to get kind of old, I just take toothpaste to the headlights, and again, you can either buy a product made for cleaning white walls, or you can probably just get away with doing this and it doesn't really cost you anything. You can buy a product made for restoring your car headlights that you just got to apply every 6 months, or you can just apply toothpaste and it doesn't cost you anything. This obviously is not the only way of doing it, it's just my way, and I wanted to share it with you guys. It's a little bit of fun so you guys can see. Hopefully the video picked up just how clean these things are. So here's the other side, and I know it's not perfect, but that doesn't mean it's not mint. And I totally could have done a better job, but this was just to show you guys super quickly how to make them look better without spending a whole bunch of money or without spending a whole bunch of time. Electric toothbrush, old toothbrush head, some toothpaste, and you're golden. Ride safe, guys. Peace.